Hi fam, Shay here from Big Sis Me, your one-stop shop for all your big sisterly advice. Welcome back. In part 2, we talked about how to be kinder to yourself by practicing gratitude and asking for help. If you haven't seen that video yet, be sure to check it out. Here in part 3, we'll be diving into creating kinder personal spaces. After all, the spaces we live in can greatly impact how we feel and function. Just like before, remember that my advice is here to complement, not replace that of your doctor or therapist. If you find yourself struggling, please seek professional help. Now then, let's get on with the video. Ready to make your space a little kinder? Let's dive into tips 6 and 7 of 7 ways to a kinder place and transform your personal space into one that's supportive and uplifting for you. Way 6. Looking after your space and keeping it tidy. Keeping your personal and productive space tidy and clutter-free can truly make a difference in how you feel and act every day. Your home should be a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and able to recharge after a long day. According to an article written in The Journalist's Resource, a messy or chaotic space can have an impact on your feelings of security and your sense of identity. An organised space can reduce your mental load, help you stay focused, and is especially helpful for those with ADHD or other attention-related disorders. Clutter creates a sense of chaos, making it tough to relax and feel comfortable in your own home. Furthermore, clutter can affect your body's cortisol levels, which regulate many bodily functions like metabolism and blood sugar. Chloe, 2019. High cortisol levels are linked to increased stress and various health issues. Chronic stress, often indicated by abnormal cortisol patterns, can lead to serious health problems. For me, this research has highlighted the life-changing value of simple tasks like putting away groceries, folding laundry, dusting, doing the dishes, and vacuuming. I didn't realise just how much stress and distraction clutter caused me, and it still amazes me how these simple acts can make such a big difference. It's crucial to understand that tidying your space not only removes distractions and reduces subconscious stress, but it also fosters kindness towards yourself. By using the Pareto principle I mentioned earlier, in part 2, you can prioritise the larger areas or sections in your home that need attention and focus on the ones that will bring you the most significant change. Tip: your approach to tidying should be manageable for you. A quick way to do this is to set a 10-minute timer and see how much you can tidy up. If after 10 minutes you can still do a bit more, set another 10-minute timer. Keeping your environment tidy is a form of self-respect. It shows that you deserve to live in a clean and organised space. Respecting what you own is also another way to be kind to yourself. According to the same journal article I mentioned earlier, addressing clutter isn't just about physical tidying. It's also about managing your emotional attachment to things. The KonMari method, for example, which focuses on keeping only items that spark joy, can help reduce clutter and improve your mental well-being. Chloe, 2019. By bringing kindness and gratitude into how you view your belongings, appreciating the value they have brought to your life, and letting go of what no longer serves you, you can organise your day-to-day space with mindfulness. And speaking of setting yourself up for a more organised day, way 7. Making your bed. One of the most significant pieces of furniture in your home is your bed. Keeping it clean and well made can directly contribute to your daily sense of order and well-being. Making your bed is a simple task you can achieve at the start of your day. Think of it as your past self telling your future self that you deserve a clean and organised space to rest your head. On days that don't go well, coming back to a well-made bed can feel incredibly welcoming and supportive. There are many benefits to making your bed, some of which can have immediate positive effects on you, while others create a positive change over time. Here are a few and how they can help you. 1. Start your day with a sense of accomplishment. Completing the task of making your bed can motivate you to tackle other tasks throughout the day. 2. Reduces stress through tidying. Keeping your room tidy, including making your bed, helps create a peaceful environment and reduces stress levels. 3. Improves your mood. Making your bed sets a positive tone for the day. Even on tough days, you'll know you've done at least one good thing for yourself. 4. Enhances your bedroom's appearance. A neatly made bed improves the overall look of your bedroom, contributing to a sense of order and calm. 5. Improves your sleep hygiene. Establishing a routine of making your bed daily may contribute to better sleep hygiene. I certainly found that I slept better when I got into a clean, well-made bed. Speaking of making your bed, here are my personal tips. Buy good quality sheets. You may not need more than 2 sets, as you can cycle through them each week. Aim for cotton sheets because they are durable, natural, and less likely to cause allergic reactions. If you can't afford a full set of cotton sheets or additional sets, consider starting with just a fitted sheet, which is often more affordable on its own. Keep an eye out for sales, end-of-line products or specials, as you can often find high-end quality items at great prices. The goal is to create a space that feels clean and enjoyable to be in. The added benefit is that it can contribute to a restful sleep, because who doesn't like to sleep in a clean, well-made bed? Extra pillowcases. Similar to my advice about fitted sheets, getting a few extra pillowcases can be an affordable investment that you can cycle through every 2 or 3 days for better skin and scalp health. Respect what you own. As I mentioned earlier, aim to change and wash your bed sheets weekly or fortnightly, and your pillowcases every 2 or 3 days. I understand that not everyone has the energy to do this consistently, so do what you can, when you can, and focus on cleaning items that make contact with your skin. There is no judgment here. There were times in my life when I was too exhausted to change my bed sheets weekly, and during those times, I at least changed my pillowcase and used a handheld clothing steamer on any bedding that made contact with my skin. Just be sure that your bedsheet material can handle a bit of heat, and as with ironing, use caution when using hot appliances. Use pillow and mattress protectors. These can prolong the life of your pillows and mattress. Learn to use fitted and cover sheets correctly. Fitted and cover sheets help protect your duvet and covers, extending their lifespan. If you find it difficult to put a fitted sheet on your mattress, consider going a size up. For example, if you have a double-sized mattress, opt for a queen-size fitted sheet. It will be easier to slip on while still fitting snugly. Steam your mattress and duvets, especially between washes, and pay attention to areas that make contact with your skin, such as your face and feet. A handheld clothes steamer doesn't have to be expensive and can be used for more than just removing wrinkles from shirts in this case. Tuck in the edges tightly. This simple act brings a sense of accomplishment and enhances the look of your bed sheets. Putting on duvet covers. If you have trouble with duvet covers, look up the inside-out duvet cover trick and share your experience in the comments. Lastly, here's a tip for pet owners. For those of us with pets or family members who love to hang out on our beds, no matter how nice their own bedding happens to be, create additional layers between what you lie in and what they can access once your bed is made. Consider using a large mattress protector and a fitted sheet to entirely cover your nicely made bed, protecting it from accidents or messes. Making your bed can improve your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your bedroom's appearance, so remember these simple tips to make the process easier and more enjoyable. Now that I've shared my personal suggestions, do you have any tips for making your bed? Share them in the comments below. And so we've reached the end of the final video in my 3-part series, 7 Ways to a Kinder Place. Throughout these videos, we've explored ways to show kindness to yourself, including loving your body, caring for your appearance, recognizing your worth, practicing gratitude, asking for help, tidying your space, and making your bed. These simple, tangible habits will lead you to a more fulfilling life. If you haven't watched part 1 or 2 yet, I've linked them in the description for you. If you like this content, please feel free to share, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. It really helps this channel reach others who may need to hear this message. And if you don't like this content, that's okay too. I'd love to know more about it. Until next time, be kind to yourself and have a great day.